We are going to do one more exercise. Fill in the blanks with the correct word from the cloud. You are given sentence and you need to choose. So I have some words for you and you will help yourself picking words to complete the sentence. Okay? Now, you have postponed, postponed, waited, cheered, visit, drenched, you have splashed, acknowledged, acknowledged, pounced, disagree, disagree, and refused. So I have given you whole lot of words and I'm going to put them into a cloud for you to choose from. These words you choose to complete the sentence given. Okay, now the sentences are, here the sentence, the boy was totally, the boy was totally and you must find the word. The boy was totally dashed when he reached school. When he reached school. Next we have the children. The children, choose a word, water on each other. The third sentence, my teacher dash my hard work. My hard work. Next we have the celebration was, the celebration was dash by 5 days. Next we have the tiger. The tiger dash on its prey, on its Sita dash patiently outside the principal's office. Next we have I totally. I dash with his opinion. With his the spectators dash the runners during the race. During the race. The manager dash me entry into the mall. Into the mall. Okay. The last one we'll do orally. Okay. Now let's look at it. What is the word that we are going to use here to fill up? Picking words from the cloud. Now the first one. The boy was totally when he reached school. Might have been raining, so what will you write? The boy was totally drenched. So you will write drenched, D-R-C, drenched. The boy was totally drenched when he reached school. The children dashed water on each other. What will the children do? They splashed water. They splashed water. The children splashed water on each other. Next we have my teacher, my hard work. My teacher, what will she do? She acknowledged, my teacher acknowledged my hard work. My teacher acknowledged my hard work. The celebration was postponed by 5 days. The celebration was postponed by 5 days. The tiger, what did the tiger do to its prey? The tiger pounced. The tiger pounced on its prey. Sita, what did Sita do? Dashed patiently outside the principal's office. The Sita waited patiently outside principal's office. I totally disagree. I do not agree with his opinion. The spectators. What do the spectators do? Those who are looking. The spectators cheered the runners during the race. Cheered the runners during the race. The manager dashed me entry into the mall. The manager refused me entry into the mall. And the last sentence, there is one word left here. And the last one is, my grandparents visit us frequently. And the last one I'm not writing, my grandparents visit us frequently. So what have we done in this exercise? We have the correct verb to suit the sentence. First, the boy was totally drenched when he reached school. The children splashed water on each other. My teacher acknowledged my hard work. The celebration was postponed by 5 days, for whatever the reason. The tiger pounced on its prey. Sita waited patiently at the principal's office. I totally disagree with his opinion. The spectators cheered the runners during the race. And finally, the manager refused me entry into the mall. And my grandparents visit us. When do they visit you? They visit us frequently.